I believe everyone has that responsibility to ensure, that they prepare and plan for any possible threats. What I have experienced over the years is that individuals sometimes wait until the last minute, and so again, I want to emphasize, on the fact that individuals should prepare early, and I believe it would be good for individuals to consider, having all the necessary important documentation, placed in a secure place, as well as with if you have any medications and other things of that nature, to ensure that you have those things also, in a secure area, and that you, perchance, if you have to evacuate, God forbid, that you then can have, these things that you can take along with you. Also, preparation got to do with the fact of inspecting your property directly, your surroundings, your yard as well, and to ensure that any debris that you might have lying around, that you secure them in such a way that if there's any threats, again, major storm or hurricane, that you can protect your surroundings. If the need arises for you to leave your home, then there's some items that we would advise that you take along with you, and that should be your documents, of course, important documents, your medications. So if you use meds, to make sure have them with you. And we also advise, for between 48 and 72 hours, that is a period in which one might have to, let's say, go into survival mode. And by that I mean with you walking with something to eat and to drink would keep you going until when the storm has passed. And so that will entail, something in the form of crackers, as we would call them. If you have any canned stuff, that you consider, walking with those things. And of course, our lifeline, which is, water. Even though the shelter will provide certain things, we still advise that you walk with those items.